How to fix mobile data is not working in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. Now swipe down to your control center, and from here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, check your network connections will works properly or not. And after checking your network connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on more connectivity options, and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on additional settings. After clicking on additional settings, you can see the option factory reset. Now click on factory reset. After the factory reset, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.